Good afternoon to all the esteemed faculty members of IIT Mandi and all the tiers associated to it. We are Group 4 and we are presenting a project on text sentiment detection. We'll start with the business need, that why we have chosen these topics. So with the rise, as I mentioned in the first point, proliferation of digital social interaction, with the rise in the social interaction, a huge amount of data has been generated every second. People are talking about brands, products they like. They share their story, that what makes them feel special about a particular brand and why they choose a brand over its competitor. It's become far more necessary for any business to understand that what their consumer like about their brand. Second is the problem associated with traditional research. Traditional research methodologies has losing its ground due to several reasons. Few of them can be considered as cost, time and bias associated to it. The third one is campaign optimization in real time. So whenever a company makes a particular campaign, they need to understand that what people are thinking about it, what people are saying about it. If we go to traditional research, it takes a huge amount of time to understand it. But social intelligence sentiment detection gives us a real-time optimization solution. The fourth point we have written, changing buying patterns from two-dimensional multi-grid to multi-dimensional multi-grid. As we are living in a generation where Gen Z is taking charge from us, what we have done, we have considered two factors, quality and price in our entire life. But now patterns has changed. People like to see that what companies are doing, purpose and all sort of things. So we need to understand their mindset, that what they think about us and how they perceive us as a brand. Next, we have mentioned four of the key players in this industry: Brandwatch, Meltwater, UScan. These are all dominant players in this particular industry and they are working extensively with corporates right now. But what makes us feel that there's a room of movement? When we see these competitors, their products, we have found a particular problem, that is the accuracy of sentiment score. Either they are using a library like FN, Bing or NRC, or few of them have created their own algorithm. The accuracy differ extensively among all these platforms. These algorithms are generalized for all sectors, and if we notice a particular word can have different sentiments for different industry. One major problem which we have noticed is that a single sentence can have different themes, and for each theme there can be multiple sentiments, but only few players are focusing on this aspect. So for example, if you go to McDonald's, you write a review that burger was excellent but the Coke was pathetic. So these platforms give a sentiment score of 0. -1 + 1 is equal to 0. But what we are trying to find is the themes and its intensity of sentiments. They use single sentiment score for each sentence. But what we are going to try is multiple sentiments associated to multiple themes. This is what our objective is. These are some of the stats of this particular industry. It is going at 23% CAGR. 85% of organizations invested this year in more than one social data analysis solutions. 43% of organizations considered it a priority to invest in internal staff over next 12 months to improve their social intelligence capability. But looking after these stats, we can understand what is the importance of this particular domain and how it's going to evolve. The data set which we're going to use is from IMDb TV. This has been given by us from our TAs. Now we have summarized that what we're going to do. So we'll start with tokenization at three particular level: character level, word level and sub-word level. So the reason being doing this is to understand the context behind it. So word level, character level, tokenization will help us to understand the context of a particular word associated to a different word. We will be using either word2vec or learner embeddings. When I talk about models, we'll try to use RNN, GRU, LSTM and other models in order to get the higher accuracy and greater generalization of a particular model. In the last part, we will be going to do the failure analysis of a particular model. These are the few papers which we have referred till now. Communication methods and measures by Rottle is one of our favorite papers which we had referred till now. Now, these are our team members and their work. So the problem statement has been defined by Zafar and Shrivam beautifully. The documentation part will be looked after by Anant, that's me, Surjan. Literature review, code identification, and results and learnings will be taken care by our entire group. So we have not bifurcated into as of now. What we are at the last, what we're trying to achieve, we'll try to make a galaxy which can show the themes with the adjectives and the intensity of sentiment associated to it. I thank all the TAs and all the faculty members for giving us this opportunity to work with you. Thanks a lot.